Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and do not change from this channel. It's about to get real in a minute. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we got corn on the cob. And with this corn on the cob, we're going to be making you elotes, Mexican style corn on the cob. Okay? And I'm going to show you what you're going to need. First, you're going to need some corn on the cob. You know that for sure. Alright, I have 2 cups of milk. I have a stick of butter. This is salted butter. I have some sugar. I have some Parmesan cheese. I have some chipotle. I have some mayonnaise. I have a brush. And I have some skewers right here for our corn on the cob. Alright? So all we're going to do today with these elotes is we're just going to strip these corn down, take them off this husk off. Now, I find it that if you come down, you see this? If you come down, let me show you guys close up. You see how all that, you got all them strings and stuff up in there like that? You come down like this, and then you break it right here, and then you do this side like this. You can grab most of them. Alright? Just like that. That's all you're doing. Then I'll just take these and whatever the left on there, just pick them off. Alright? Alright. And you're going to need some hot water, some salt too, of course. You know, you got to boil this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish these up and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now this water was boiling, so I just turned it off because it's boiling really fast. So all you want to do is just take your, well, you want to put a little salt and sugar in there first. Now the milk you don't have to have, but I normally put milk in mine. It just makes it more creamier. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just like that. This is sea salt. Put like a tablespoon of that in there. So like a teaspoon because it's sea salt. It's kind of potent. Then we just throw our corn in there. Like so. Just like that. Alright. Now with your butter, you can take 3 tablespoons of butter. And drop that in there. Alright. Do a little swish swash. We're just going to let that cook, guys, for about good 15 minutes. So we'll take them out and I'll show you what we'll be doing then, okay, in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, with this corn we're going to take our mayonnaise. Before we take our mayonnaise, we got to use the butter, right? Okay, you're just going to take your butter, melted butter, just go on there like this. And we'll seep in the rest of the cracks along the way. Okay? And what I'm going to do is put a little sea salt on that. Just a crumb. Let me see if I can pull some in my hand here. Ain't got to be much. About that much. See that? That's all you're doing. Just like that. Alright, then we come with our mayonnaise. See that? And the mayonnaise is going to seal that butter in there too. And it's on there for a reason, so that you know. And it has amazing taste to it. So Alright. Kind of like not put too much on this one, just in case my old lady don't like it. Alright. Then we take our Parmesan. Almost there, guys. Take our Parmesan cheese. This is Parmesan Romano. If I can get this thing open. Okay, it's open. And we're just going to, let me get another plate. If I can sit it on there. Alright, we're just going to take our Parmesan. Let's go on there. That's the over the rest of it. That's all you're doing. Then you take your chipotle. Yeah, see? One down. That's all you're doing. Alright. That's that. Put a little bit more of this on here. Alright, we'll move this out the way. Put this over here. Fresh parsley. It's just optional. Just add a little color to it, that's all. Now I make it a little bit interesting. Now you want to eat it even more now, see? I talk too much, yes I do. Some subscriber told me that. I said, yes I do, but you gotta talk when you want to eat. When you're trying to cook. This is how it look, guys. So who want that first bite? You do? Okay, well there you go. There you go. You get it. Alright. See if I can get this camera to act right. There you go, guys. Alright, bite that piece right there. Alright, guys. That's my Mexican street corn on the cob. Okay, so you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And please, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in a minute.